If your UGG boots or slippers are looking dirty, stained, or starting to smell a little funky, don't worry. You can clean them at home without throwing them into the washing machine. And that's important because traditional suede and sheepskin UGGs should generally be cleaned by hand. Washing machines and dryers can be too harsh and may damage the suede, lining, shape, or overall finish. So in this video, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step way to clean UGG boots and slippers safely at home. You will need a soft suede brush or soft bristle brush, a clean sponge, a few microfiber cloths, cold water, some plain white paper towels, and ideally a cleaner made specifically for suede and sheepskin. Before using any cleaner, test a tiny amount on a hidden area first, especially if your UGGs are a lighter color. Now let's start. Step 1 is removing loose dirt. Make sure your boots are completely dry before brushing them. Take your suede brush and gently brush over the outside of the boot. This helps remove dust, dried mud, hair, and loose dirt sitting on the surface. Don't scrub too hard. Suede has a soft texture that can become flattened or damaged if you're too aggressive. If your UGGs have wet mud on them, don't immediately start washing them. Let the mud dry first, then brush off as much as possible. Next, let's clean the soles. The rubber outsole can handle a little more cleaning than the suede. Add a tiny amount of mild dish soap to a bowl of cold water. Dip an old toothbrush or soft brush into the solution and gently scrub the bottom of the shoe. Work the brush into the grooves where dirt and small pieces of debris usually get trapped. Try to keep the soapy water away from the suede as much as possible. Once the soles look clean, take a damp cloth and wipe away the remaining soap. Now we can clean the suede itself. Take a clean sponge, wet it with cold water, and wring it out really well. You want the sponge damp, not dripping. Lightly dampen the entire suede surface of the boot. This is important because cleaning only one small section can sometimes leave an obvious watermark after the suede dries. So instead of soaking one dirty spot, lightly and evenly dampen the whole exterior. Next, apply a small amount of suede and sheepskin cleaner to your damp sponge. Don't pour concentrated cleaner directly onto the boot. Gently work the cleaner into the suede using light movements. Take your time around dirtier areas, especially the toes and sides, but avoid aggressive scrubbing. You also don't want to completely soak the boots. Once the outside has been cleaned, rinse your sponge or grab a clean cloth and dampen it with fresh cold water. Then gently wipe over the suede to remove any leftover cleaning solution. Again, keep the cloth damp rather than soaking wet. Now let's deal with the inside. If your UGGs smell, but the lining isn't particularly dirty, you don't necessarily need to completely wash the inside. For mild odors, make sure the boots are dry and sprinkle a small amount of baking soda inside. Move the boot around so the powder reaches the toe area and other parts of the lining. Leave it for several hours or overnight. The next day, turn the boots upside down and shake out as much baking soda as possible. You can also carefully use a vacuum attachment to remove any powder that's still trapped inside. Just don't push the vacuum aggressively against the soft lining. If the lining is heavily dirty rather than simply smelly, it's better to use a cleaner that's specifically suitable for sheepskin instead of soaking the inside with household detergent. Now comes one of the most important steps, drying your UGGs correctly. Never try to speed things up using a hairdryer, radiator, heater, tumble dryer, or other strong heat source. Heat can affect the suede, sheepskin, adhesives, and shape of the footwear. Instead, take a clean towel and gently blot the outside to remove some excess moisture. Don't rub the suede, then loosely stuff the boots with plain white paper towels or clean, unprinted paper. This helps absorb moisture while also helping the boots keep their shape as they dry. Don't stuff them too tightly. Leave the UGGs somewhere cool and well ventilated and allow them to dry naturally. Depending on how wet they became during cleaning, this may take a day or longer. Once the boots are completely dry, there's one final step that can make a huge difference. Brush the suede again. After getting wet, suede can sometimes look slightly flat or stiff. Take your suede brush and gently brush over the entire boot using smooth strokes. This helps lift the suede fibers and bring back that soft, fluffy appearance. And if you want to make future cleaning easier, you can apply a protective spray made specifically for suede or sheepskin once the boots are completely clean and dry. So remember, remove dry dirt first, clean the soles separately, lightly and evenly clean the suede, deal with odors without soaking the lining, let everything air dry naturally, and finish by brushing the suede. The biggest thing to avoid is treating UGGs like ordinary sneakers. A little patience and gentle cleaning can make an old, dirty pair look surprisingly fresh again.